Okay guys, we are just trying to mount the chassis on the body on the chassis, sorry. So we are trying to tack it down and then assemble it back to the body, to the chassis, sorry. So as you can see, we are trying to set the seating, the both. This will be coming down here. We are just trying to use our manual crane. So this is how we do it, because we don't have this executive big jack. So we have to use normal chain block and the crossbar. So guys, we are trying to set the chassis, the frame, and so on. So guys, we are trying to fix the body on the chassis. So guys, we are trying to drop the chassis. Why not setting this, my friend? Where are you? So guys, as you can see, we just dropped the chassis and the body on the chassis. So as you can see, everything just set perfectly, and so we have issue before on this leg. When the chassis bent, this tire was just here, but now it's straight. Everything is straight, everything is normal, everything is normal. So we have to use anti-rust on the new chassis we bought. So guys, as you can see, the body. So let me take you to the back side. So guys, we just dropped the chassis and the body on the chassis, so work continues. So this is Miami Automobile Technical Services. So my guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile Technical Services. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, everything is set. So now just to tie the brake pipes. We have to tie the brake pipes, the engine wire, we need to start arranging the wires down to inside the car. So guys, if this is your first time please watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. Thanks for watching.